Starting a new procurement activity? Do you want to quickly create your bidding documents? You need something that will provide a secure, straightforward, and customizable way to build your bid docs. Introducing the Government Procurement Policy Board Philippine Bidding Documents Builder. Accessed through the GPPB online portal, the PBD Builder enables you to build your bidding documents from scratch. The online preparation of PBDs will save you time, energy, and resources during the procurement planning stage.
It's so easy to build your bid docs. First, be sure that you are your procuring entity's principal or alternate authorized representative for posting of required procurement information in the GPPB online portal. Select the PBD in the menu bar of the GPPB online portal to access the PBD Builder. Click the Posted PBDs in the drop-down and log in into the system by entering your username and password and selecting the Procuring Entity Radio button. While logged in, you would be able to access the drop-down choices under the PBD menu, specifically the preparation of PBDs for goods, the preparation of PBDs for infrastructure, and the PBD notices.
From the PBD drop-down choices, select Prepare PBD Goods or Prepare PBD Infrastructure depending on your procurement project. Encode the required information. Click the radio buttons or drop-down choices. Or upload the required documents using the Upload File button. Remember, those with red asterisks are mandatory fields and should be filled out. After all the required data in the invitation to bid are entered, click the Label PBD section button at the bottom of the page to move to the next pages of the PBD Builder. The system has a Save button at the end of every page that allows you to save a draft version of the PBDs when some of the mandatory data are still missing. After all required data are entered on the last page of the PBD Builder, click the Submit button at the bottom of the page.
The draft PBDs may be viewed under the drop-down labeled PBD Notices. This drop-down opens to a page showing a table where data is displayed in columns as derived from the information you entered or encoded. Click the View Approve PBD to view or download the drafted public bidding documents. If the draft needs editing, just click the Edit PBD link. You can navigate to a specific section by clicking on the section name on top of the page. In approving the draft, click the View Approve PBD link for the specific project. A page will open where you can upload an image of the Bids and Awards Committee chairperson's signature, signifying its approval, and tick the box confirming the authority of the person approving the draft public bidding document. Click the Approve PBD button to finalize the documents. After clicking this, the public bidding documents can no longer be edited.
The webpage version of the finalized PBD can be seen by clicking the View PBD link under the View Approve PBD column. The View Approve PBD link disappears if the PBD has already been approved and finalized. You can generate a copy of the PBD in the portable document file version by using the View PBD link under the View PDF column. And finally, the soft copy of the approved PDF format may be saved using the web-based downloading or printing options. Once printed, it's ready for posting within the premises of your agency and uploading to the field jobs and your agency's websites to comply with the posting requirements under the procurement rules.
Let the PBD Builder help you build your bid docs without breaking a sweat. The GPPD Philippine Bidding Documents Builder, procurement planning and bid docs preparation made easy.